Yeah. Where did I catch that?
Or run away too.
Sarah's gone up to death height.
I'm only going halfway so I can test it out.
Hold your string like it's filming ya. You're going on YouTube. Woo! Okay. Catch the little one. Catch the little one. Oh, Jesus. Oh, watch out. Here comes Maggie. Out of control. Oh, jeez. Oh, Jesus. That was the most out of control.
I'm just going down on my head. I'm like, somebody will stop me before I take out my head. Oh my God.
Go get your tube.
Funny.
Turn into a turtle.
This is way faster than the sled, but less control.
Oh my gosh. It's fast. I'm gonna need you to go down this hill next.
No, go do it again.
No.
Go down laying down on it. You'll have more control.
Oh my gosh.
Drag your feet.
You were way faster than me. I came down with my head. I'm like, all right, well, all is well.
I had no control. I'm like, I was worried about wiping out Rob while he was standing.
Oh, I was watching you. Beebs came down like a friggin' rifle round.
Oh, Beeb. That kid has absolutely no fear.
I started climbing and my pants started falling. I really should have belt sorts.
Watch out, here she comes.
There's a tube out there, Mariah, already. There we go. Here she comes. Oh, Beeb! Way to hang on, kid. Way to hang on.
Rob, you need to go.
Rob's gotta go.
I'll go in a bit.
Yeah, well, listen. We need to be on the same YouTube strand as this.
Huh?
We had a tripod we could have set out.
Oh my gosh.
And then nobody would have had to hold it.
Come on, Beebs. Watch out. Need a picture of
Oh,
her?
geez, Richie going way up there. He's going over this.
There would be Christmas vacation.
Watch out. Oh, Andy's going sitting too.
Down aiming for me.
Man, you get going so fast on this.
Yeah, they go fast,
What did
huh?
he say?
I'm like, I'm just gonna lay down.
All right, go, Mariah.
What did the little boy say when he hit?
Let's not hit the trees, please.
Let's ask if it's okay. Could he move everything? Look like he knocked the light on him.
Watch out.
With his side. He hit hard.
Oh God.
Thank God I hit that.
Beebs, get on this part, away from the trees. There you go, over there. I'm filming right now. You guys go.
I have one for you, dude. Let's go.
I'm going. Filming right now.
I can film too if you both want to
Go
go.
do the hill again, babe.
No, I don't want to.
Go do the hill again.
I laid down and
Go-
go down once.
Go do the. Go. Don't move when you get this way. Yeah, you will be, but leave your coat on. Because otherwise you'll get sick. Where's your other gloves?
In the car, they were too hard for me to use.
Watch out. Here comes Mom.
Don't turn into a turtle again.
More control this time.
Run your feet in front. You're supposed to run your feet in. Oh boy.
I'm not going that far up,
He's
so.
taking it down.
Nope, I got it. Stop it there! Oh! Ow!
I told you it works though. It's not the but it works.
Heck no.
Go up higher this time. Why not? This one's better. Try the tube. Yeah, the tubes are definitely faster. She thinks it's a horse. She's got the reins. Uh-oh. 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 Watch out, watch out. Ready?
Get up there and it's over so fast.
I know. Don't worry. You gotta say, I'm all right.
My hands are cold though.
Don't try using your feet here.
You see how it epically hit people up there?
Use your feet as you come down and slow it down.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not going on my belly. I saw what happened when you did that.
Go, Sarah.
See, I haven't even gone on my stomach yet. I went on, like, I just laid down.
Yeah, Sarah's just standing around supervising.
I'm just saying, my hand with that snowball while sliding was pretty epic. Perfect hit, too. I love you.
Beep, get out of the way. Hurry, go. Come on. Rob's going to take you out, dude. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Here he comes. Get out of the way, Beep. That's like a perfect hole. You slide right up in there. Perfect hole. There he goes.
That was so slow. They were like penguins. Now I'm sweaty.
Yeah, I know, I'm getting hot.
I have my gloves off. My hands got cold, so I put them back on, but now I'm warm again.
Uh-oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, God, oh! I got it.
How did I do that?
Oh, that was hilarious.
Oh my God, it's funny. Here we go, Beeb. Come on. Come on, woman.
How did I get the blame for that one?
Oh God, here she comes. She's coming in fast. It's funny. That's funny.
We've run into it so many times, there's no more ramp to stop us. It's just whoop, right over.
That's funny.
Luckily it doesn't hurt. I know, that's why I'm a little bit like this.
Yeah, I saw yellow snow.
You saw yellow
Did you eat
snow?
Yeah, no,
Don't-
I didn't eat it.
Did you eat it? Yeah, no.
You didn't eat it?
No.
Oh, good, good. Don't eat the yellow snow.
You rolled. You
Sarah,
went whoop.
that's why Rich and I have been using our feet as a brake.
my feet. And that's what turned me around. I put my feet down.
That's what happened.
Then turned me back.
Listen, when I started spinning, I just laid down and said, well, whatever's to come
This
is to
is
come.
life.
You just gave up.
I just laid down. I'm like, here we go.
You look like a possum. You're like, if I play dead, it'll stop.
The snowbank is going to catch me. Hold on, what are you going to camera? Hold on, it's... Hello, say hello. All right, babe, you want a video? Or are we good? All right. Everybody say bye.
No.
Bye.
No.